Deep within the heart of the enchanted forest, there lived a woman named Mother Hulda. She was unlike any other, for she possessed a magical gift, the ability to grow the most beautiful and luminous flowers. One sunny morning, Mother Hulda set out on her daily gardening excursion. As she tended to her blooming flowers, she noticed a group of curious children peeking over the forest's edge. "Hello, little ones," Mother Hulda said, her eyes twinkling with kindness. "What brings you to my garden?" The children, filled with excitement, asked, "Mother Hulda, we've heard wonderful things about your garden, but we don't understand why your flowers are so special." Mother Hulda smiled and replied, "Each of my flowers holds a secret, a lesson for those who take the time to discover them. Every flower here is a testament to the power of patience, perseverance, and love." The children were intrigued. "Tell us more about these secrets," they begged. Mother Hulda led the children through her garden, explaining the stories of each flower. The roses of resilience, which bloomed from the ground where a tiny seed had been buried for years. The daisies of determination, which refused to wilt even in the face of harsh winds and scorching sun. The tulips of triumph, which had grown from the ashes of a once destroyed garden. As the children listened, they felt their hearts swell with inspiration. They knew the lessons Mother Hulda shared were not just about gardening but about life, about the power they held within themselves. "Thank you, Mother Hulda," the children said as they left her garden. "We've learned so much from your beautiful flowers." With a warm smile, Mother Hulda replied, "Remember, my dear children, life is like a garden. Plant seeds of kindness, nurture them with patience, and watch them bloom into something truly wonderful." And so, the children returned to their homes, their hearts filled with newfound wisdom. They vowed to live their lives as Mother Hulda's flowers, resilient, determined, of love. And the enchanted forest, with its magical gardener, continued to grow, blooming with the secrets and stories that inspired all who visited.